Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stake in Binance. So let's get started. To have your stake on your Binance, you should have a big money because Binance is very big platform. So if you want to try to get stake there, then you can contact the brokers. So you can just go here and then you have to search like stake on Binance. Then here we can see, so from here we can see by helping the secure network, you can make about $2,000 by staking. So this is how to stake in Binance. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.